Tell me.
Tell you.
First day on the beach, the day of the crash, the story that I told you. If you're safe, tell me.
This is the best time.
Shut up! You were doing surgery on a girl. And you messed up. You made a mistake. You tore something on her back. And all the nerves came loose. And you said you were so afraid. And you said the fear was so real. And you didn't know what to do. So you came to us. And then you weren't afraid anymore. And then it was just gone. And you fixed her. You saved her.
I need you to make me a promise, Kate.
Jack.
Promise me that you'll never come back here for me. Don't come back, Kate.
Jack, where are you?
No.
Jack. Jack, please, where are you?